It's Timmy, and you're watching The Click. Hey guys, welcome back to The Click. We're here at the BFA Soccer Stadium. We're here for Unplug 2. Now, for those of you at the Unplug 1, you remember a guy, Nat Williams, who was the driving force behind that event, and a lot of the artists who are sitting there, even the musicians. So as you all know, he's passionate about Bahamian artists. So we have the R&B with Carissa, we have the Kia, we have the rap with Twin Them. You have the fusion with Julie the Lion, one of my favorite artists. And you have the hardcore Bahamian like Puzzle. You have a D-Mac. You have the in-between like the Sokunu, I'd say, with Dyson and Wendy. And my personal favorite, so Twin Them have never performed with a live band, guys. Me, I personally love live music, so I want to see them. And just as a good time, celebrate Bahamian music in the name of Nat Williams.
All vibes you want. Yeah! Dyson night. Face past my chest, it pumping. Waistline, I'm feeling something. I hope my feet don't feel me now.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Unplug 2, your opportunity to give back to the music and entertainment community. Thank you so much for joining us.
So you just rocked the stage. I sweat and use my first performance. I didn't know what to do the rest of the night. I sweating and I got more to do, but this is your first song. You're in such a big stage like this. Tell me, how does it feel to go first?
Oh my goodness. Well, first and foremost, I'm happy that I went first so that I can enjoy the amazing talents that follow me. But oh my gosh, it's such a privilege to be on such a big stage and going first. Wow, okay, that's
and
amazing.
Talk to me, but how do you feel about this cause? It's this very important cause.
Oh, it's so important. I think it's very crucial.
So Carissa, thank you so much. I need to get a next shirt because of you. And just enjoy the rest.
I think it's just hot, man. I just think it's hot.
And stay tuned for the rest of the performances.
Hey everybody, it's Carissa and you are watching The Click.
What up, what up, what up? It's your girl Kia and you're watching The Click.
What if I promise I'll be faithful and show you everything I say is gospel? Yeah, now would you give me a chance to show you that I'm worthy? Have your eggs like the table set before me. Don't let your love pass you by. So listen to my soul cry, so you can never straight line. Give me the green light.
You can see I sweating. That's a good performance. You had two songs, Green Light with Matissa, and your first song actually. Hold on, talk to me about that performance and being on the stage with these people right now.
It's a dream, bro. You know what I mean? I actually feel like a real celebrity. See what I'm saying? That's good.
You feel real now?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I got a good crowd response. I guess everybody came out to support Nat. That's good, you know? That's always good.
It is so exhilarating, and I feel extremely humbled to have the opportunity to share it with the entire country at such a wonderful event for such a great cause.
Any nerves?
I did, yeah. I always get nerves right before I go on stage because the unexpected can always happen. You can rehearse over and over and sound could go wrong, steps can get missed, but overall you just have to have a good time, go on stage and just have fun. And that's what we did tonight.
Break bread, breaking I miss a hard dog, going hard on. And I got dreams about Ocean Club.
All right, hard go. It's Twin Them, and you're watching The Click.
Bang, it's your boy Sleepy Lex, and you watching The Click.
I've got to let you go, but my heart keeps telling me no. See, I'll take our love, it's just slip away. I love you with all of me, and you could not even see that no one will love you better than me. That's why I feel so confused.
So guys, Willis just turned on the stage with Mandisa and Willis. Let us know how you felt be honoring that. How did you feel going on stage for his honor tonight?
It's good, man. I mean, I'm very proud to be finally a part of something, this platform, you know, where you have all this large talent, you know, all the Bahamian, all my peers, the artists that I am fans of, you know, and it proves that this guy Nat did something to triggering us to be here tonight, you know what I mean? So I'm very proud of it.
You put me on your that's right. You do a little shop. Yeah. When I grab you, when I hold you there.
So I'm heading out with Sketch just turn on the stage. How do you feel about this guy? Not Williams talking about your experience with that.
Man, listen, we go way back from day 44 days. Like, this is a monumental situation, a monumental experience, and we need to keep this going. This is all for Nat. You know, he paved the way for us, for young artists like myself, continuing on to generations of artists, and we just want to continue doing this for Nat, you know, and just go worldwide with it, go global with it.
But you know, Nat brought like a lot of attraction to what we would call Bahamian entertainment. He was one of the best with live engineering, and me happening to know him and being around him, you know, I was able to say, when I was coming up and I was having rough times with my people, and they was like, you need to give up music. He was one of the guys was like, I don't want you to give up music. I'll give you something to do, to put something on your table, but I need you to have that freedom to do music, you know? And this was always his vision, you know? From the first one, I was privileged to be a part of it. You know, I was very, you know, so being here again, that's an honor to me.
Boy, listen, Nat was a really good friend of mine. Nat and I used to talk on a weekly basis. Of course, he was obviously one of my mentors, as a lot of entertainers and audio people. But we had a special relationship, man, you know, and based in church, of course. But you know, he always had my back, and I really appreciate that. Very few people always have your back from day one, regardless of what they hear, regardless of, you know, whatever's floating around, and they still got your back. Very few people, and he was one of those people. Always appreciated that, man. I cried when they died, when that plane crashed, and I heard about that, man. Listen, that hurt my heart. And today, I still can't believe it happened, man. But you know, rest in peace. Of course, we miss Nat, and of course, so it was a no-brainer for me to be a part of this tonight.
Yo, this is Willis, and you're watching The Click.
This is your girl, Patrice Morel, and you're watching The Click.
Hey, what's good, world? It's your boy Sketch, and it's all about The Click. You're now rocking with The Click.
Hello, it's your boy MDs, and you are watching The Click. When we say click, that means keep it click here. Don't go nowhere.
Guys, it was an awesome night here at Unplug 2, a benefit concert at the Soccer Stadium, honoring Nat Williams for raising money for the scholarship fund, for the arts, for the music. And as you can see, I sweat all night at blast. Judah had me almost up on stage. We had Carissa Smith performing her first song ever. She opened the event. We had Chanjalo B. Ianthias, the producer's favorite artist. And right now, we still, trust me, I don't even believe I hear tonight. We had pop, we had R&B, we had hip hop, we had reggae. all genres of Bahamian music. And it's your boy Tim May, host of the Click for the night. You remember, the only way you can watch it if you click on